using WhatsApp status effectively. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp status effectively. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open WhatsApp and go to the Status tab. Tap the camera icon or My Status to upload a photo, video, or text update. Use this space to share updates, promotions, or behind-the-scenes content if you're using it for business. Tap the pencil icon to write a text-only status, great for quotes, quick updates, or announcements. Use the emoji icon, fonts, and color tools to make your text more engaging. Tap the gallery icon to upload photos or videos from your device. You can also add captions, draw on the image, or add stickers before posting. And send the status in this way. Statuses disappear after 24 hours, but you can manually delete one anytime by going to your status and tapping the 3 dots next to it. Check who viewed your status by swiping up on your posted update. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart WhatsApp tips. Catch you in the next one.